Welcome to my first credit card unboxing video. Duane here with How to Build Credit TV, and in this credit card unboxing video, we're going to be having a look at the American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card. But before we get started, I have a quick message. Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit. We also talk about how to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the word subscribe below this video to the right and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so recently I applied for 5 credit cards, and so that's why I'm creating these credit card unboxing videos. So in this particular video, we're gonna be having a look at the American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card. So I know I'm calling it a credit card unboxing video. It's more like a credit card enveloping video. So whatever the details are, it doesn't matter. So we're gonna have a look at this particular credit card, and if you're interested in this particular credit card from American Express, be sure to use the link in the description below because it actually helps our channel quite a bit. So if you're interested in this particular credit card, the American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card, it would help us a lot if you use the link in the description below. So give me 1 second and I'm gonna jump on over to another video and show you this particular credit card unboxing or credit card enveloping of the American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card.
All right, guys, so we're back with another enveloping here, and this time it's the American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card. So funny story about this one, I actually got this in the mail and it was raining really bad, so my mail got wet and it was horrible. So I was like, man, I can't do a video with a wet envelope. So I went ahead and got them to send me another welcome package so that you guys can know what to expect when you get your American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card. So that's why there's no stamp here, and that's why I already have my name and information blacked out. So anyway, this envelope's already open because they sent it to me FedEx, so it's already open. It's not even sealed, as you can see. So this wasn't the actual envelope that they sent me in the mail. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys here what to expect with this particular card, the American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card. So this is a cashback card, and I like cashback cards because it's cash, and that's just kind of what I do right now. You're able to get 3% cash back on groceries, 2% at select department stores, and 1% on everything else. So anyway, this is pretty much what you're gonna get when you get your package with American Express. Of course, there's, you know, card member agreement, so on and so forth, all this stuff that I am probably not going to read because, you know, I'm gonna use my credit card and pay it off all the time in full every single month, or, you know, maybe a couple of times a week. But with this particular card from American Express, the American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card, you actually get a sign-up bonus. You get $150 after you spend $1,000 within the first 3 months. So let's go ahead and have a look at the card here. So here's the card, and of course I'm gonna have my information you know, blurred out because you guys don't need to know my card number and all that good stuff, but this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and try to take off the sticker here and see if we can see what that looks like without the sticker. I guess you probably won't see much of it because my information is going to be blanked out, but that's what the card looks like right there, or part of the card, because you guys won't be able to see the entire card. So that's it. I mean, this is the American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card. This card, I have a $7,000 credit limit on this card. I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to it. With this particular card, I get $200 cash back once I spend $1,000 within the first 3 months. So that's pretty cool. It actually has on here that I've been a member since 1999, which is the very first time that I had the American Express card, blue from American Express. And so that's pretty cool that they have that on there, and they consider me a member since then, even though I butchered that account. And this is my first time getting an American Express card in a long time. So let me just go ahead and show you guys here that my credit limit, like I said, is $1,000. Here it is. All right, so this has card member agreement. You know, this is information about your APR and stuff like that. So as you can see here, it says credit limit $7,000, cash advance limit $1,400. Not sure why you'd need that, but it's there. I don't even know how to access the cash advance actually, because I don't even have a PIN number set up with this card. But and then it has annual percentage rate here. Of course, there's a 0% introductory offer. until December 2019. That's not bad. So that's like, I guess 15 months or so. I don't know how to count, but it's a while. And then after that, my APR will be 17.74%. So anyway, that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward here. I just wanted to show you guys once again what to expect when you get your American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card. Thank you for watching this portion of the video. I'll see you back in just 1 second.
Thanks for watching this credit card unboxing video of the American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card. If you like the video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up. It helps our channel quite a bit. And if you want to share this video with somebody that may find it helpful, please feel free to do so as well. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel because on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit. We also talk about ways to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.